Good thinking, buddy. You should check and see if there's any power switches around here.
But that won't stop a master electrician such as I. Voila. And then there was light.
This place still has electricity. Looks like luck is shining down on us. For once.
Your arm is bleeding.
What? Oh. I didn't even feel anything. Wait. Oh no. No. No!
Emma, calm down. Look, that wound's too clean to have come from a zombie. You won't turn into one of them. Everything's alright.
How can you be so sure? We can never catch a break. Things always just get worse, especially recently.
Relax. If that was from a zombie, I'd have amputated your arm already.
I don't know whether to thank you or stay away from you. Let's just hope you're as good as you say.
Now that we're relatively safe, I think introductions are in order. I'm Brady.
Natalie.
I gotta say, you were absolutely spectacular. I don't know what we would have done if you hadn't showed up and cleared a path for—
So, is this a warehouse? Look out! There's one in there as well!
Calm down, would you? It's just a normal corpse, albeit a really old one. Looks like no one's been here for a while.
Wow. Finding such a normal corpse is quite rare nowadays.
What's this?
Looks like this unlucky fellow's ID card. Might be useful in the future.
Let's head down and check it out. There might be some supplies we can use. Keep your eyes peeled, though.
The tunnel is blocked. Looks like it was caused by a cave-in.
Leave it to me. This will be a piece of cake for a masterminder such as I. Booyah!
I think we passed by a tool shed just now, and this looks like a dormitory?
Check it out. This must be the diary of the previous tenants. Maybe we can find out what happened here.
Diary? Forget that. Look! Beds! I haven't gotten a good night's rest in a decent bed since forever.
I agree with Fernando on this one. Let's get some rest before proceeding. It's been a very long day after all.